Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Something just happened right now on Ultimate Love reality TV show. Jeriton evicted from Ultimate Love 2020 in week 4. Ultimate Love couple Jeriton has been evicted from the love pad in week 4. During the live eviction show with Dakori as host, Jeriton was evicted during the live eviction show in week 4 after last week's nomination series for possible checkout by fellow love guests in the third week of the Ultimate Love 2020 live reality show. Recall that OBAB, Jeriton, Roxy, Jello, Bola, Double Chris and Chivia were up for possible eviction in week 4 of the show for having the highest number of nominations from fellow housemates during the live nomination show in week 3. Jeriton was evicted from the Ultimate Love show on Sunday, 8 March 2020, in week 4 of the 2020 series, which is getting hotter and some couples are already leaving the show. The house is becoming tense every single day as only one winning couple will emerge. Jeriton was nominated in week 3 by Ikrisa, Jakesh, Roxy, and Double Chris. Jeriton is the ultimate love couple that has Jerry and Meriton together with a couple name as Jeriton after they both found love in themselves in the love pad. Please guys, drop your comments in the section below, and for new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops. Stay tuned to this channel for more news on Ultimate Love.